राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. I hope all of you are able to hear me now. I got some messages saying that there was no audio, so I just corrected something at my end. I hope you're able to hear me now. Good, you're able to hear. सर्वेभ्यः गणेश चतुर्थी पर्वणः हार्द शुभाशयाः. A very happy and blessed Ganesha Chaturthi to all of you. As you all know, Vighnarajah Ganesha is the Lord who removes obstacles, and by his grace we have been able to complete the first 10 chapters of the Bhagavad Gita till Vibhuti Yogaha so far. So on this auspicious day, we will also seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha to bless us that we complete all the 18 chapters and learn the Gita well. So as today is an auspicious festival, I thought we will start with a small prayer to Lord Ganesha, and then we will begin today's class. That is the 56th session of our webinar. And it is a very nice coincidence and a blessing that today we are, on this auspicious day, we are completing Vibhuti Yoga. Like I said last time, I will chant all the shlokas followed by individual chanting. So there will not be any new shlokas taught today, no repetition. So you will have individual chanting after I finish. I already see that some of you have raised your hands. Others also can raise your hand, and hopefully as many as possible will be able to chant individually today. Let us begin, like I said, with a prayer to Bhagavan Vighnarajah. लम्बोदराय लसदं शुकभूषिताय कात्यायिनी मुखसरोरुह भास्कराय कल्याणराय कमनीय यशस्कराय देवाय सामजमुखाय नमः परस्मै नमः. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम् पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रनेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। गीतासु गीता कर्तव्या किमन्यैः शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिसृता। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्। यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ दशमोऽध्यायः विभूतियोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वचः यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया। न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवन्न महर्षयः अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः। यो मामजमनादिं च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढः समर्थ्येषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते। बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः शमः सुखं दुःखं भवो भावः भयं चाभयमेव च। अहिंसा समता तुष्टिः तपोदानै यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विधाः। महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः। एतां विभूति योगं च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वतः सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः। अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवः मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगन्तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता। अर्जुन उवाच परं ब्रह्म परं धाम पवित्रं परमं भवान् पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजं विभुम् आहुस्त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे सर्वमेतदृतं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवानदानवाः स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थत्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां त्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि कथं विद्यामहं योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम् श्रीभगवानुवाच हन्त ते कथयिष्यामि दिव्या ह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः कुरु श्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशी वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेशो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुशिखरिणामहम् पुरोधसां च मुख्यं मां विद्धि पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्म्येकमक्षरम् यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम् आयुधानामहं वज्रं धेनूनामस्मि कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहम् पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहम् प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहम् मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहम् वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणां पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहम् झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादः प्रवदतामहम् अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालः धाताहं विश्वतोमुखः मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिः श्रीर्वाक् च नारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा बृहत्साम तथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहम् मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहम् ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः द्यूतं छलयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम् जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्वं सत्त्ववतामहम् वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कविः दण्डोदमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषताम् मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम् यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम् नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया यद्यद्विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंश संभवम् अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत् ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः. We have completed the 10th chapter, Vibhuti Yoga. Now I'm going to call out the names of attendees in the order in which you all have raised your hands. So let us start with the first verse of the 10th chapter. First introduction and then the first verse. When I call out your name, please unmute yourself immediately and check that your mic is unmuted. Otherwise, I will not be able to hear you. Gayatri Ramachandran Bhagini. please unmute yourself. Gayatri Ramachandran Bhagini, it says self-muted. As and when I call out, request you to please unmute immediately so that we'll be able to save time. And
Ram Ram. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Dashamodhyayah Vibhuti Yogaha. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Bhūya eva mahabaho Shunu me paramam vachah Yatteham priyamanaya Vakshyami hitakamyaya.
Just two observations, Bhagini. One, Bhagavanuvacha, Mahaprana should be clearer, and these observations will help all of you. So please listen even when I'm correcting others. Bhagavanuvacha, Bha is Mahaprana, and here in the last pada, it is Vakshyami hitakamyaya. It is not a dirgha, a very common thing we observe. There is a tendency to chant a dirgha here. It is not Vakshyami, it is Vakshyami hitakamyaya. Otherwise, it was good. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Next, Balaji Ravi Gopal Mahodaya, Kripaya unmute karotu.
Namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Nami vidhussura gana madhavam namahashayah ahamadihi devanam maharshinam cha sarvashah.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Mahodaya. Shankar Narayanan Ramaswamy Mahodaya.
Namaste Guruji.
Namaste.
Yauma Majamanadem cha Vetti Lokamaheshwaram Asammudha Samartyesho Sarvapapai Pramuchyate.
Punaha ekavaram vadatu.
Yoma Majamanadem cha Vetti Lokamaheshwaram Asammudha Samartyesho Sarvapapai Pramuchyate.
Atyuttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Shankar Narayanan Mahodaya has been chanting right since the beginning. I remember every time he's chanting, and he's chanting very well. You're learning all the verses. I've heard all the chapters from you. Mahan Santoshaha. Keep it up. Dhanyavadaha. And also, like I said, all of you, the aim is to memorize all the 18 chapters and get an assessment from Vyoma. And also, like I said, in Sringeri, there is a special certificate and prize for those who can memorize all 18 and who submit there before Jagat Guravaha. So you will have a small test. They will ask you to chant here and there the verses. And if you chant correctly, you are blessed with the certificate. So that is our aim. Please start memorizing the verses, all of you. Just by listening to the chanting every day, that itself automatically, without your knowledge, you will start memorizing. So listen and chant aloud every day, and the aim is as many of you as possible should memorize all the 18 chapters. Next, Karpagam Chandrasekharan Mahodaya.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Buddhir Jnanasammohah Shama Satyam Dama Shamah Sukham Dukkham Bhavo Bhavah Bhayam Cha Bhayameva Cha.
Atyuttamam. I really liked that you combined all the sandhis very well and chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Nandana Nair.
Sorry, I'm Sujit actually. My daughter name has been mentioned.
Oh, okay. Ram.
Actually, Hari Om Mahodaya. Ahimsa samata tushtihi tabodanam yasho yashah bhavanti bhava bhutanam mat एव पृथक् विधाः.
Atyuttamam. Very happy to listen to all of you chanting, and most of you have learnt it perfectly. Mahan Santoshah. Radha Ram Mohan Bhagini.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
This sloka.
Yes.
महर्ष्यः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनस्वथा भवद्भावा मनसा जाताः येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः.
Okay, we'll go pada by pada. Few corrections. Can you chant the first pada?
महर्ष्य सप्त पूर्वे.
Maharshaya sapta purve.
Okay. महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे. महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा. महर्ष्यः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाताः येषां लोक इमाः प्रजाः.
This Maharshayah word, please listen to the chanting, the recording, and learn the pronunciation correctly, Bhagini. There is still slight error. So please practice this, especially this first word. It is Maharshayah. Dhanyavadaha. Yes. Muttu Krishna Ramanujam Mahodaya. Please unmute yourself.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Etam vibhudi yogancha mama yo veti tattvatah sovikampena yogena yujyate natra samshayah.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Uttamam. Revati Venkataratnam Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Aham sarvasya prabhavah mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaah.
Same observation throughout. The bha should be clearer, Bhagini. I think this is a very common thing I hear. The bha mahaprana should be clearer. A lot of you, please pay attention to this. A lot of you tend to chant it as prabhavaha bhajante. It is prabhavaha bhajante buddha bhava samanvitaha. So if that is correct,
is it prabhavaha? Prabhavaha.
Prabhavaha, yes, the bha should be, the mahaprana should be heard more clearly. It will come with practice.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Ramya Veera Raghavan. Ramya Bhagini.
Ram. Macchitta madgata pranaha bodhayantah parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti charamanti cha.
Yeah, so here kathayantascha, the tha is mahaprana, ka is alpaprana. So that should be differentiated clearly. Kathayantascha, and that here kathayantaha cha, it is kathayantascha. It shouldn't be chanted as kathayantascha. It is not a sa here. That is also a very common error, which inadvertently while chanting, this sha is, we tend to chant it as sa. So that we should pay attention. Kathayantascha. It is not kathayantascha. It's not sa. It is sha. Shiva, Shankara, Shubham. That sha here. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next one, Shivaranjini. Shivaranjini K.
Ram.
Ram.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते।
अत्युत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः।
सम्यक् उक्तम्। महालक्ष्मी बालाजी भगिनी, कृपया अनम्यूट करोतु। इट सेज सेल्फ म्यूटेड। महालक्ष्मी बालाजी भगिनी, यस।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
नमस्ते।
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमः नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थः ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता।
Uttamam Bhagini. The Mahapranas were very clear, and it is very good that you chanted the Mahapranas so clearly. Rita Bhagini. Rita Kotecha Bhagini.
अर्जुन उवाच परं ब्रह्म परं धाम पवित्रं परमं भवान् पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजं विभुम्.
Yeah, the same thing again. The Bha Mahapranas should be clearer. Here Paramam Bhavan Purusham Shashvatan Divyam Adideva Majam Vibhum. The Bha should be heard clearly. All of you please make a note of that. That is one thing which I'm consistently pointing out. So please, the Bha should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Karthik Mahodaya, next one.
अश्वत्थामा सर्वे देवर्षीनादस्ततः आसितो देवलो व्यास स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे.
I will teach you, Mahodaya. The first pada, it is Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve. Ahustvam
ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षीनादस्ततः.
Sorry, again there's a mistake here. Let me teach you. The first pada is Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve. Second pada is Devarshir Naradas-tatha. Naradas-tatha. Both together. Devarshir Naradas-tatha.
आसितो देवलो सर्वे आशितो देवलो व्यास स्वयं चैव ब्रवीषि मे.
Yeah, so please practice this. You can look at you can hear the recordings and practice. It should be chanted as Ahustvam Rishayas Sarve Devarshir Naradas Tatha Asito Devalo Vyasaha Swayam Chaiva Bravishime. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Venkata Narayana Mahodaya. Venkata Narayana Panchi Karla Mahodaya. Yes, it's unmuted. Namaste.
Sarvametadrutam. I'll repeat again. Sarvametadrutam manye yanmam vadasit keshava nahite bhagava vyaktim vidurdevat na danavaha.
Uttamam. Here Bhagavan, the second time your bha was clear. Nahite Bhagavan Vyaktim. Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Harsha Subramanya Mahodaya. Please unmute yourself. Shri Harsha Subramanya.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Swayameva tamanat.
Shall I teach? Swayamevatmanatmanam. Swayamevatmanatmanam. Are you able to hear me? Ram Ram, Hari Om. Can you hear me? Vethatvam Purushottama Bhuta Bhavana Bhutesha Deva Deva Jagatpate. Astu, we seem to have lost the connection there. We will move on now. Ramaya Narayanan Mahodaya.
Namaste, Ram Ramani.
Ramaya Narayanan Mahodaya, are you able to hear me?
I am able to hear you. Are you able to hear me? Hello.
Yes, is this Ramaya Narayanan Mahodaya?
Namaste, Ram Ram.
Muted here.
Shall I tell?
Kripaya vadatu.
Swayamevatmanam vethatvam purushottama.
Yes, please.
Sorry? Ram Ram? Swayamevatmanam vethatvam purushottama. Bhuta bhavana bhutesha deva deva jagatpate. Hari Om.
Ram, are you able to hear me, all of you?
No, yes, I am able to hear you. Could you hear me?
I think I lost the connection in between. Sorry, for a minute or so, I think I lost the connection. Now I can hear you, Mahodaya.
Ram, please.
This is Ramaya Narayanan Mahodaya, right?
Ram, Hanji, yes.
Yes, okay. Please chant this verse.
Swayame.
Sorry, I'll just go to that verse.
Yeah, Swayame Vatmana.
Yes.
Swayamevatmanatmanam vethatvam purushottama bhuta bhavana bhutesha deva deva jagatpate.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya, Mahan Santoshaha. Next one, Surya Narayanan Mahodaya.
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha.
Vaktumarhasya seshena divyāhyātma vibhūtayah yādhir vibhūtibhir lokān imām swam vyāpya tishtasi.
Uttamam Mahodaya, Dhanyavadaha. Jayanti Lakshmi Bhagini. Next verse. Jayanti Lakshmi Bhagini. Kripaya unmute karoto. Please unmute yourself. Jayanti Lakshmi Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Can you hear?
Yes, I can hear you.
Vidyamaham yogin
त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्यो असि भगवान् मया. Yeah, here it is yogin, it is not yogi, there is no dirgha, so yogin. And here chintyo, see, we do not chant it as chintyo asi, we do not split the purva rupa sandhi there, we chant together as chintyo si, and it is not bhagavan, it is bhagavan maya. Please note these changes, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Shri Harsha Subramanya Mahodaya, I don't know if you could chant completely the last time.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, you can try now.
Vistarnet mano yogam vibhutim cha janardana bhuyah kataya triptirhi shranvato nasti mimratam.
Okay. So here it is Vistarenatmano. It is not Vistarenatmano, Vistarenatmano. And here it is Shrinvato Nasti Memritam. It is not Memritam. It is Shrinvato Nasti Memritam. Okay. Please make these corrections. Dhanyavadaha. Next, I'm trying to see whose names I've not called out and calling out their names. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodaya.
Namaskara, madam.
Namaskara.
Hante ta kathayishyami divyaha.
We chanted first.
Sri Bhagavanu vacha hantate kathayishyami divyaha atma vibhutaya pradhanyatah kuru shreshta nastyanto vistarasya me.
Yeah, so here a few things. Kathayishyami, tha is Mahaprana. This word is Hyatma Vibhutayaha. He plus Atma Vibhutayaha becomes Hya. Here, if you see in the diacriticals, it's given as HYA. So Hyatma Vibhutayaha Pradhanyatah Kurushreshta Nastyanto Vistarasya me. Dhanyavadaha.
I'll chant once more, madam.
Want to chant once more? Okay.
Bhagavanu vacha hantate kathayishyami divyahyatma vibhutaya pradhanyatah kuru shreshta nastyanto vistarasya me.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you.
Amit Tripathi.
Ram Ram Mahodaya.
Ram Ram.
Ahamatma Gurakesha Sarvabhutashayasthitah Ahamadishcha Madhyamcha Bhutana Manta Evacha.
Dhanyavadaha. There was some disturbance from your end, but anyway, I'll tell you this. It is Bhutanamanta. So it's one word. Bhutanamanta evacha. Bhutanam anta together. We chant it as Bhutanamanta evacha.
Kim punah vaktum shaknomi?
Ha punah vadatu. Samyak naiva shruyate. न जाने किमर्थमिति परं वदतु पुनः चिन्ता मास्तु.
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्य मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम्. धन्यवादाः महोदय. अनुराधा भगिनी कृपया अनम्यूट करोतु. Yes.
Ram madam.
Ram.
Adityanamaham Vishnuhu Jyotisham Raviramshuman Marichir Marutamasmi Nakshatranamaham Shashi.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just one observation here for the benefit of all of you. The Jyotisham word, Jyo, should be heard clearly. Sometimes we do not pronounce the Ya very clearly. So then we tend to hear it as Jyotisham. It is not Jo, it is Jyotisham Ravi Ramshuman. Dhanyavadaha. Agre gacchamaha. Anuradha Bhagini, Anuradha Anisetti Bhagini. कृपया अनम्यूट करो तो।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते।
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना।
अत्युत्तमं भगिनी, महान् सन्तोषः। उत्तमरीत्या उक्तम्। ईशा सोहोनी भगिनी।
राम राम राम
राम राम राम।
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेशो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुः शिखरिणामहम्।
अत्युत्तमं, धन्यवादाः। Some of you have practiced really well. You're chanting well. I'm very happy to listen to all of you. Gomati Bhagini, Gomati S. Please unmute.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
पुरुदाशां च मुख्यं मां विद्धिपात
पुरोधसाञ्च मुख्यं मां
पुरुदासां च मुख्यं मां विद्धिपात बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्दः सरसामस्मि सागरः.
Yeah, I will chant the verse once. Please go back to the recording. The first word is Purodhasam. That should be chanted clearly. I'll chant it once. Please listen. Purodhasancha mukhyam mam vidhi partha brihaspatim senani namaham skandah sarasamasmi sagarah. Dhanyavadaha bhagini. धन्यवादाः। हेमा सुब्रमण्यन भगिनी, नेक्स्ट वन, प्लीज अनम्यूट।
नमस्कार मैडम।
नमस्कार।
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्म्येहमक्षरं यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः।
Yes, so one observation here, it is not Bhruguraham, it is Bhruguraham. Gu is a hrasva swara, so this shouldn't be, yeah, Bhruguraham. I can't hear you, Bhagini.
Let me once.
Okay, your voice
Madam,
is breaking.
Let me chant once more.
Okay.
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्म्येहमक्षरं यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः।
धन्यवादाः। The sthavaranam stha mahaprana should be chanted more clearly. Next one, Indumati Narasimhan Bhagini. Please unmute. Indumati Narasimhan. कृपया unmute करो तो। Okay. Jayanti Bhagini, Jayanti Devarkal Bhagini.
Yeah. Namaste Bhagini. Yeah.
Namaste.
Ashwatha sarvavrukshanam devarshinaam cha naradaha gandharvanam chitraratah siddhanam kapilo munihi.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Chitraratha, the tha should be chanted more clearly. Tha
राम राम गुरुजी।
राम राम।
उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतम्
Amritodbhav. I'll just chant this word. Mamamritodbhavam. There is no extra. It's not mamamritodbhavam na. Mamamritodbhavam. Vidhi mam amritodbhavam. Mamamritodbhavam.
Sure. I'll repeat it, Guruji. उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्।
Atyuttamam. Chanted well. Dhanyavadaha. Manya Umesh. Manya Umesh Bhagini. Yes, this was.
Ram.
Ram.
आयुधानामहं वज्रं धेनूनामस्मि कामधुक् प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्पः सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकिः।
Atyuttamam. Samyaguktam. Chanted very well. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
All of you, I'm very happy at the way you all have learned. So from now itself, I'm telling you, please start memorizing 18 chapters. Those who joined newly, all the other chapters which you couldn't have attended, they are all available on our portal course page or on YouTube. So please listen to the recording. After each chapter, like today, you will have one session with the entire chapters chanting. So listen to that. We'll have two kinds of assessments. One is complete memorization. Second is reading perfectly without any mistakes. This will happen at the end of 18 chapters. Let us hope that by the grace of Bhagavan and Krishna, we can probably target completing all 18 chapters by this year end, before Gita Jayanti. Let us pray and work towards that. But by the time we complete all 18 chapters, please be perfect. You will have it will be a very strict assessment, very strict evaluation from Vyoma. So once you get a certificate, that means you have really chanted well and learnt well. So I've told you in advance, you have a lot of time. Start working towards that. Mark Anthony Mahodaya.
Bonjour. Hello.
Hello.
Anantaschasmi naganam varuno yadasamaham pitrnamaryaachasmi yamasamayamatamaham.
Okay, a few observations here. I'm very happy that you have made an effort to learn Sanskritam shlokas. So here it is Varuno Yadasamaham and Pitrina Maryama Chasmi Yamas Samyamatamaham. There were a few changes in the short vowels and long vowels when you chanted. So it is not Samyamatamaham, it is Yamas Samyamatamaham. If you pay attention to the short and long vowels, then it would be easier for you. May I ask where you are joining from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Europe. Oh, Europe, yes. Wonderful. Very happy that we have attendees from all over the world. So please do listen to the recording, and if you have any doubts, you can always write to me, all of you, any doubts in pronunciation. And special applause for those who are not familiar with Sanskritam and Indian languages and who are learning the shlokas. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you very much.
So much. Thank you.
Guruji.
Congratulations. The effort itself we need to congratulate. Meenakshi Bhagini, next one.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Prahlaadaschasmi daityanam kalah kalayatamaham mriganam cha
Kalah कलयतामहम्.
Sorry. प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहं मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. उत्तमं. मोहनावलम्बे भगिनी, नेक्स्ट वन.
नमो नमः भगिनी.
नमो नमः.
पवनः पवतामस्मि रामशस्त्रभृतामहं जषाणामकरश्चास्मि श्रोतः सामस्मि जाह्नवी.
Yeah, here it is srotasamasmi, not sha. Srotasamasmi Janhavi.
श्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी.
Yes, धन्यवादाः भगिनी. उत्तमं. Next, Nirmala Parthasarathi भगिनी, next one.
राम राम भगिनी.
राम राम.
सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्याविद्यानां वादप्रवदतामहम्.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Next, Padma Narayan भगिनी.
अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमे.
It is not dvandah, dvandvasamasika cha.
द्वन्द्वसामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः धाताहं विश्वतो मुखः.
Here it is dvandvaha. The va should be heard clearly. Dvandvasamasika cha. Then ahamevakshayah kalah. The jihva muliya here. Visarga followed by ka. That should be clearer. Ahamevakshayah kalah.
अहमेवाक्षयः कालः दाताहं विश्वतो मुखः.
धन्यवादाः. Next, Panishri Bhagini. Please unmute yourself.
नमो नमः भगिनी.
नमो नमः.
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्च नारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिक्षमा.
Okay, so one common thing throughout it is harashcha, sarva harashchaham. Not, it's not cha. I pointed this out to someone else also today. It is harashchaham, sarva harashchaham. Similarly here, udbhavascha, not udbhavascha. There is no sa there. Udbhavascha. Shrir vak. It is here. It is not sa. It is shri, not sri. In some languages, I think like Telugu, the sha is pronounced as sa or something like that. But in Sanskritam, it is sha. Shrihi, Shankaraha, Shivaha, Vishveshwaraha. Please note the difference between this sa, this is sarvaharaha, and this cha, shrir vak, smritir medha, and I always tell you, a visarga followed by ksha should be chanted completely. So it is dhritihi kshama, not dhriti kshama.
Can I chant again?
Yes, quickly, because we have like a lot of people still, and we have run out of time.
Yeah, धन्यवादः भगिनी. मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिश्रीर्वाक्च नारीणां स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा.
Dhritihi was right, Bhagini, but the chas you should still correct yourself. Udbhavascha, sarvaharashchaham, all those. Priya ke Bhagini.
नमस्ते भगिनी.
नमस्ते.
प्रिया कृष्ण. नमस्ते. नमस्ते.
बृहत् साम तथा साम्नां गायत्री छन्दसामहं मासानामार्गशीर्षोऽहं ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः।
धन्यवादाः. The cha should be clearer, Mahaprana. Next, Ranjita Agarwal Bhagini. Ranjita Agarwal.
राम राम राम। द्युतं छलयतामस्मि द्युतं छलयताम्।
It is Dyutam.
द्युतं
Dyu is Dirgha. Dyutam.
द्यूतं छलयतामस्मि तेजस्विनामहं जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम्।
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Jayosmi should be Hrasva. Ravi Mahodaya, Ravi Mulukutla Mahodaya. Kripaya unmute karo to. Yes.
राम राम गुरुजी।
Ram Ram.
वृष्टीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जयः मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनां मुसना कविः।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Saurabh Mahodaya. Please unmute Saurabh Mahodaya. Yes.
दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषताम् मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम्।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः।
I am really happy to listen to so many of you today. Shivaram Kulkarni Mahodaya. Kripaya unmute karo to. Shivaram Kulkarni.
नमस्कारं नमस्कारं।
Yes, namaskaram.
वदामि वा?
Vadatu.
यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदमहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना
Na tadasti.
न तदस्ति विना यत्
Mahodaya Kshamyatam, I couldn't hear you completely. There was some problem with the audio. Next, Shyamala Kumar. Shyamala Bhagini. Shyamala Kumar Bhagini. Yes.
राम राम भगिनी।
Ram Ram Ram.
राम राम।
यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यस्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्।
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. This word here, second pada, the third pada, it is natadasti vina yat syat. That should be clear. Next, Umesha Anand Mahodaya. Umesha Anand Mahodaya, kripaya unmute karo to.
नमस्ते।
Yes, please chant.
नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप येष तूद्देशतः प्रोक्तः विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया।
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Uttamam. Upender Hashya Mahodaya. Next one. Upender Hashya Mahodaya. Please unmute yourself.
श्रूयते वा?
हा श्रूयते महोदय, वदतु. राम वदतु.
यद्यद् विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंसशम्भवम्.
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः महोदय. वेंकट सुब्रह्मण्यन एन महोदय, लास्ट श्लोका.
राम मैडम. अथवा बहुनैतेन किं ज्ञातेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृष्णम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्.
एकांशेन स्थितो,
एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्.
उत्तमं महोदय. This sthito, if the Mahaprana tha is heard more clearly, it would be even better. Dhanyavadaha. So I think I have given an opportunity to everyone who has raised their hand. I don't see any more hands. In case you have raised your hand in between, if I have not called out your name, you could write to me in the questions panel quickly. Maybe one more person can chant just the ending, that is the last conclusion of the chapter. If anyone wants to chant, please write to me. Kaveri Bhagini. Okay, let me see. It's the name, first name which I received was, I'll have to search. I don't see your hand raised. Yes, Kaveri Bhagini, please chant the conclusion. Please unmute yourself. It says self-muted. Kripaya unmute karo to. Yes.
राम राम.
Ram Ram.
ओम तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे विभूतियोगो नाम दशमोऽध्यायः.
The Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini, and we chant Vibhuti Yogo Nama together. We don't chant it as Vibhuti Yogo Nama separately. We chant Vibhuti Yogo Nama together. Ganesh Subramaniam Mahodaya, I see you've said that you wanted to chant.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. You could chant the last verse, this one.
Yeah. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishnaha Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhuti Dhruvani Tirma Tirmama.
Yeah. Shrir Vijayo Bhutihi. Here we chant the Visarga completely. Otherwise it was good. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavad.
I've called out all the names, whoever has raised their hand, in the order in which they appeared on my screen. If inadvertently someone's name has been missed, Kshamyatam. I think all of you who have raised your hand have chanted today. Okay. Those who want to chant, you should raise your hand, because unless you raise your hand, I will not know. Some of you say you wanted to chant, but you haven't raised your hand. So in that case, I will not be able to call you. If you have raised your hand and I've not called out your name, then please let me know. Okay. It's almost 6:15, so we will have to end now. Like I said, there is another webinar also starting after this. So as we have already chanted the last verse, we will end with Shanti Mantraha. If anyone hasn't gotten a chance to chant today, okay, Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini wants to chant. Sorry, I don't want to deprive anyone. The last verse again, Bhagini, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishnaha. I have unmuted you, Usha Vishwanathan. I can't hear you, Bhagini. It says you're unmuted, but I can't hear you. Naiva Shruyate. Please chant the last verse. Okay, I still can't hear you. Kshamyatam, sorry. Okay, Darshi Ravi Mahodaya, you will have to raise your hand. Please, I will not be able to search for each of your names here. Yes, you can chant the Shanti Mantraha like you said you wanted to chant. I will unmute you, please. Yes, Shanti Mantraha.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
धन्यवादाः महोदया उत्तमम् Brinda Shekhar Bhagini, I see your question. Okay, I don't see your name here in the raised hands. It's your, please raise your hand if you want to chant. Shanti Mantraha you can chant, Brinda Bhagini. Kripaya unmute karo to please unmute yourself. You can chant Shanti Mantraha. It still says self-muted. Okay, it says self-muted. We will give you a chance next class, Bhagini, because we don't have any more time. But around 46 to 47 of you have chanted today, which is wonderful. And if one or two of you have been missed by mistake, sorry about that. You will have more opportunities to chant in future. We will just chant the Shanti Mantraha once and conclude. Any more unanswered questions, please send me an email. Few emails from last week I'm still yet to reply. I'll be sending a reply to those soon. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha once more. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Once again, a very happy Ganesha Chaturthi to all of you. Stay blessed and let us pray for everyone's health, well-being, and prosperity. I will have to end the webinar here. Any unanswered questions due to paucity of time, please do send me an email. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. Ram Ram Ram.